I'm Darren Feinblum, and I'm one of the partners at Feinblum & Hanel. Ever since I started practicing criminal defense, I've encountered so many different types of situations regarding the domestic home. Domestic battery, violation of a domestic injunction. These are two of the most serious misdemeanors you can be charged with in the state of Florida. On the other hand, they are usually the most defensible type of case. And the reason why I say that is it's because it's usually one word against the other. Many times people are falsely accused of battery because of certain problems in the marriage or certain problems in the relationship. But what I will tell you is the courts treat it very seriously. And the reason they treat it very seriously is because they're concerned if they don't treat it seriously, something bad could happen. And many times there's overreaction by the courts and the state attorney's office to these types of situations. If you've been charged with a battery or violation of a domestic injunction, you need to contact our office as soon as possible. What would happen is if you get arrested, you'll usually be arrested on no bond. You'll go in front, if this is a domestic battery or a violation of an injunction, you'll go in front of a judge probably within 24 hours. We would obviously be there for you, arguing to get you out. If we're able to get you out, which we do in almost every case, you'll have to find somewhere else to live. So you're not going to be able to go back and stay with your wife or your significant other. And that causes an extreme hardship on someone. Not many people have two houses or family in the area. We're going to help you find a place for you to go and try and set the conditions that are reasonable for you. If you have children, we want to make sure that you're able to see your kids. And that's something that we definitely want to accomplish. When you're dealing with a domestic battery, there's a lot of evidence that needs to be gathered immediately. Let's talk about the 911 call. I've tried upwards of 40 domestic battery cases and more injunction cases. I can't tell you how many times I've won the case because the video or the 911 tape exculpates my client. Exculpates means proves you're innocent. The person will call 911. Their credibility will be attacked. They make no mention of any touching or any battery, and then later on in court they try and change their story to say that you hit them or you strangled them or whatever it was, yet they never made that statement originally to the 911 operator. There's a lot of things that can go into why someone makes up this type of accusation. They could be trying to get an upper hand in a divorce. They could be trying to get custody of the children. These are all things that we need to pursue, investigate in your type of case. If for some reason things got out of hand and there was a domestic battery and it was minor, you can definitely still fight that case and we can do a great job for you. If you get convicted of a domestic battery charge or a violation of injunction, that stays with you for the rest of your life. You'll be branded a wife beater, and we want to make sure that doesn't happen to you. So give us a call at 1-800-FIGHT-IT. I'm Darren Feinblum, or visit our website at fightyourcase.com where you can find a wealth of information as to how we're going to defend you on that type of case.